Lesson: Auditing AI and Machine Learning for Privacy Compliance. Auditing AI and machine learning for privacy compliance involves a robust understanding of both technological advancements and the regulatory frameworks that govern data privacy. As AI and ML systems increasingly permeate various sectors, ensuring that these technologies comply with privacy standards is critical. This lesson aims to equip data privacy and protection auditors with the practical insights, tools, and frameworks necessary to evaluate AI and ML systems effectively. AI and ML systems handle massive datasets, often containing sensitive personal information, making them susceptible to privacy risks. Auditors must first understand the data lifecycle within these systems, which includes data collection, processing, storage, and disposal. Privacy compliance requires that each phase adheres to regulatory standards such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe or the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States. These regulations mandate that personal data be processed lawfully, fairly, and transparently, and that individuals have rights over their data. One actionable tool for auditing AI and ML systems is the Data Protection Impact Assessment. DPIAs are systematic processes used to identify and minimize data protection risks. They are particularly useful in AI and ML contexts because they help auditors understand how data flows through the system and where vulnerabilities may arise. A DPIA involves mapping data flows, assessing the necessity and proportionality of data processing operations, and identifying measures to address risks such as data minimization or pseudonymization. By conducting DPIAs, auditors can ensure that AI and ML systems not only comply with legal standards but also align with ethical considerations regarding data privacy. Frameworks such as the NIST Privacy Framework provide a structured approach for organizations to manage privacy risks. The NIST Privacy Framework consists of 5 core functions: identify, govern, control, communicate, and protect. These functions guide auditors in evaluating how AI and ML systems manage data privacy. For example, the Identify function focuses on understanding the organization's data processing environment, which is crucial in pinpointing areas where AI and ML systems may introduce privacy risks. The Protect function emphasizes implementing safeguards to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, which is essential for maintaining trust in AI and ML applications. Machine learning models, particularly those involving deep learning, can be opaque, making it challenging to understand how decisions are made. This opacity, often referred to as the black box problem, poses significant challenges for privacy compliance. Auditors need to implement techniques such as explainable AI to increase transparency. XAI involves using methods that make AI models' decisions understandable to humans. For instance, techniques like LIME provide interpretable approximations of model predictions, enabling auditors to assess whether the model's use of personal data aligns with privacy regulations. Real-world examples highlight the importance of these auditing strategies. In 2018, a major social media company faced scrutiny for its AI algorithms' handling of user data, leading to significant privacy breaches. The lack of transparency in its AI systems and failure to conduct thorough DPIAs resulted in regulatory fines and loss of consumer trust. This case underscores the necessity for organizations to adopt rigorous auditing practices and for auditors to utilize tools like DPIAs and XAI to evaluate AI and ML systems effectively. Another key aspect of auditing AI and ML for privacy compliance is understanding the role of data governance. Effective data governance ensures that data is accurate, consistent, and used appropriately throughout its lifecycle. Auditors should evaluate the organization's data governance policies to ensure they align with privacy regulations. This involves assessing how data is classified, who has access to it, and how it is protected against unauthorized access or misuse. By enforcing strong data governance practices, organizations can mitigate privacy risks associated with AI and ML systems. Statistics further emphasize the importance of privacy compliance in AI and ML. According to a report by Gartner, by 2022, 40% of privacy compliance technology will rely on AI and ML solutions, up from 5% in 2019. This trend highlights the growing reliance on AI and ML technologies to manage privacy compliance, underscoring the need for skilled auditors who can navigate these complex systems and ensure they adhere to privacy standards. Auditors must also be aware of emerging privacy-enhancing technologies that can help mitigate privacy risks in AI and ML systems. Techniques such as differential privacy, which adds statistical noise to datasets to protect individual privacy, and federated learning, which allows machine learning models to be trained across decentralized devices without sharing raw data, are increasingly being adopted. By incorporating pets into the auditing process, auditors can provide actionable recommendations for enhancing privacy compliance. The role of continuous monitoring and auditing cannot be overstated. AI and ML systems are dynamic, evolving as they process new data and adapt to changing environments. Continuous monitoring involves regularly assessing the system's performance and compliance with privacy standards, allowing auditors to identify and address privacy issues proactively. Tools such as automated auditing software can assist in this process by providing real-time insights into data processing activities and alerting auditors to potential privacy breaches. In conclusion, auditing AI and ML for privacy compliance requires a multifaceted approach that incorporates practical tools, frameworks, and techniques to address the unique challenges these technologies present. By leveraging tools like DPIAs, frameworks such as the NIST Privacy Framework, and techniques like XAI, auditors can effectively evaluate AI and ML systems for compliance with privacy regulations. Real-world examples and statistics illustrate the importance of rigorous auditing practices in maintaining trust and avoiding regulatory pitfalls. As AI and ML continue to evolve, auditors must remain vigilant, employing continuous monitoring and emerging privacy-enhancing technologies to ensure these systems respect and protect individuals' privacy rights.